us to some fantastic conversations, speakingly. So let's take a look. Oh, yes.
20x on crazy time. Topslot. 20x, guys.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Happy. Thank you, Taylor. Well, let's go with Taylor for sure. What about our next outcome here? Well, what's it gotta be? Oh, yes, crazy time once more. Do you see that? Do you see that? Well, now we know the route very well. Let's go. Well, such a pleasure to meet you here for the second time in a row. Are you ready for those multipliers now? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I feel like we got them very comfortable being here. And ladies and gentlemen, please make your choice. Which flopper this time? Perhaps the blue, perhaps the green, or perhaps the yellow one. Well, let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and get that multiplier. Final seconds for the decision. And now, out to the 100x here. Let's go. Good luck. So we got 10 for the green, 15 for the yellow, but double for the blue, which means each and every single segment of the wheel is going to get double for that blue flopper and possibly double the fun, as you may know. Out to the 200x here. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued for 156,586 euros.
The blue flopper. Good job done, dear ladies and gentlemen. Special count lens of mine goes exactly to 4,314 of you who got that 200x. Well, ladies and gentlemen, so lovely to meet you back here. 10,741 winners. Amazing job. New betting time is all yours. Remember that you can bet on all the number segments and all the bonus game segments. Come up with a lot of different strategies, however you might feel like. Your choice, your decision, of course. Lovely to see those happy reactions there. And already said winners, Pari, Casino, Key, and all of the others. Now new betting time. So place your bets for the next round, and let's get going, shall we? So how about, let me ask you a very simple question. What kind of hobbies, what kind of interests have you got? Perhaps that is something that we might share in common. Or maybe it might lead us to some fantastic conversations. And speaking of the fantastic, look at that. 20x in a crazy time. Topslot. Let's get ahead and get it. Not discovered yet. We need to go inside of that red door. Good one, Daz. This was a good one. Well, what's it gotta be? Crazy time on the wheel. Can you believe it? Crazy time. Crazy time indeed, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Well, what a surprise to meet you here, dear ladies and gentlemen. We do not come empty-handed. Oh, no. We come with that 20x multiplier. You're going to see it shortly. So let's take a look. Oh, yes. Each and every single segment of the wheel is going to get multiplied by that 20x. Can you believe that? Wow. But, you know, before we get that multiplier, you got to make an important decision whether to go for the green, for the blue, or for the yellow flopper. 3 options sitting right there in front of you. One decision yet to be made. Well, ladies and gentlemen, after that 4,000x, let's go.
This is the amount of money issued, 1,064,007 euros.
X for the blue and yellow and 200x for the green. Congratulations to all of the winners, especially 3,564 of you with that 500x. Well, ladies and gentlemen, back here we meet. 4,850 each free winners. That was amazing. Congratulations to each and every one of you. But now new betting time is all yours. So please, place your bets for the next round and join the conversation. That's the saying, I said it loud. Well, you did. Look at you. Amazing prediction skills there. Well, after all, that is the aim of this game. 4x and a baching.
Total winners calculation that's continue. With another round, let's swap it up. 9,992x away from 10,000x. Not that close, not that far, right? Anyways, what now? Topslot. 2x on the cash end. Which maybe we can reach. Heading towards it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. We got it. So it's our first cash and hits a top slot. I mean, not the craziest top slot, but it's a 2x still. So obviously, we'll take this cash and 2x. Welcome to the cash on board. First cash out of the session, and we got a 2x. Sick. Let's see the multipliers real quick. Oh, I did not expect a 500x. That means, you know what that means. Also 75x's. With a 2x, we're gonna have 1,000. 1,000 on the board now. 1,000 on the board. We got 150, 100 X's. Alright, let's shuffle everything. 1,000 is there though. 1,000. Only one of those. So very hard to hit it, but I really hope you can find it. It's 1,000 X, man. Well, let's see. Everything is now shuffled. So make your decisions and pick your own icons or leave it to the auto pick. And let's see. 1,000 again on the board. 1K. I'm gonna pick my own icon. Okay, I pick my own icon. We got 3 more seconds left to whip. Best of luck on this cash hunt. Alright, this is the close. I pick free, my icon.
This is the amount of money issued, 40,581 euros.
Got 8 1,000 winners. And top winner is Itlog with a 1,000x. 8,242 euro win for you. And we got 2,030 total winners. So only 8,000x winners, but I hope, well, the special compliments to you guys who got 7. 2 out of 1,000, I cannot speak. But hey, either way, that was sick. That's a
The bet's open once again. Welcome you players joining. Welcome to Crazy Time. Coin flip now with a 10x top, so that would be very fun. You're welcome and thank you. Will we have some fun? Come on, coin flip. Come on, don't let us down. Don't let us down. Yes. Lovely. Let's go to coin flip. Are you excited? Okay, so we have 10x the top slot for this coin flip. Let's wait for the multipliers to pop up. This is giving us like a couple of seconds to contemplate. I'll get our emotions in order. We have 50 and 5, stands up by 550. Well, both of them are good, but of course we want the 500. Deep breath.
This is the amount of money issued, 334,343 euros.
Congratulations to the winners. Okay, top winners are Torman, 3 and M. Okay, good. Yeah, okay, so place it at the bottom rumor. I can relax. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we had the 5 number 2s in a row. 4 number 1s in a row. Is it going to be the 5th one? So 20x on crazy time. I'm afraid to see. My heart is beating, guys. No way, we got crazy time. me. Welcome to the world's biggest wheel in crazy time. Is this real, Chad? Is this real? 20x Topslot. 20x, guys. Guys, I'm shaking. It's your decision time. Pick a flapper, green, blue, or yellow. Most of you are choosing the blue flapper, by the way. Okay, highest multiplier 4000x. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 1,211,280 for euros.
400x on the blue, 1000x on yellow, 2000x on the green flapper. I mean, welcome back, guys. I am still shaking. Shout out to the top 5 winners, by the way.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.